everyone, welcome to Amarjyoti's Crochet World. Today I am here once again with my new tutorial on making another pattern of basic granny square. This is also a square. The last one that we had made was this one with granny stitches, but this time we are not making granny stitches, simple double crochet, but making a square. So this is second pattern for making granny square. So let's begin. The same yarn that we used in the last square is the same one. It's a 4-ply thin acrylic yarn. Crochet hook, again we are going to use 3 mm crochet hook, tapestry needle to sew the ends, and a pair of scissors to cut the ends. So let's quickly begin it making. Again we are going to make chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slip stitch in the 5th chain from the hook. It forms a ring. Right, now we are going to work in the ring. Make chain 3. This is our first double crochet, but as we are going to start with the corner, so chain 3 is our double crochet, so more 3 chains. So in total we have made 6 chains and 1 double crochet in the ring. Right, this will be our corner, and hold the tail along with, make 3 more double crochet. 1, 2, 3. So one side I will be working 4 double crochet. Right, again make chain 3. Our corner will include double crochet, chain 3 and double crochet. Right, in the last granny square we were making corner by making the granny stitches like 3 double crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochet, but here the corner will be double crochet, chain 3 and double crochet. Right, so this is the basic difference between these two squares. Now more 3 double crochet, 2, 3, chain 3 and 4 more double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Sorry, 4 we have to make now. So 4 double crochet, chain 3, turn to this side. Now we have already 1 chain 3 as our double crochet over here, so 3 more double crochet in the ring. 1, 2 and 3, and slip stitch in the top of chain 3. 1, 2, 3 in the 3rd chain. See, this is your round number 1. Made a small square. Now slip stitch in the chain 3 space. Chain 3 as our first double crochet. 3 more chains, that is 6 chains for making double crochet and chain 3, and 1 more double crochet in the same chain 3 space. This makes your corner. So now make 1 DC on each, 1 double crochet on each double crochet. Very easy, very quick to make. So we had 4 double crochet on this side, so on that 4 more double crochet we have done. This is we have made in the chain 3 space, and 1 double crochet, chain 3 and 1 double crochet for the corner, and this side again make 1 double crochet on each of the double crochet, that is 4 double crochets. Oops. To reach the corner, double crochet, chain 3, double crochet. Again 1 double crochet on each of the double crochet. Reach the corner, chain double crochet, chain 3 and double crochet. Coming to this side, double crochet in next 4 double crochet. And slip stitch in the 3rd chain. So this is your row number 2. Done. Now next row, row number 3. slip stitch in chain 3 space, 3 chains for double crochet, 3 chains for the corner, double crochet in the same space. Now again double crochet in each of the double crochets. Now we have reached the corner, double crochet, chain 3 and double crochet. Turning to this side, 1 double crochet on each double crochet. Right now you will feel it's getting curled up, but when you will complete it, it will look nice. Reaching the corner, double crochet, chain 3, double crochet. 1 double crochet on each of the stitches. Reaching the corner once again, double crochet, chain 3 and double crochet. 1 double crochet on each of the double crochets. Reaching the corner, slip stitch in the chain 3. Third chain from the starting chain 3. See, it's done like this. So like this, you can increase as much bigger you want to make it. It can be like this. I have made over here 4 rows, 1, 2, 3 and 4 rows with this granny square. But here I have done 3 rows. You can make 4 rows, 5 rows, 6 rows, as many rows you want to make the bigger one, a bigger square pattern. This is the endless square pattern. That was also an endless square pattern. You can make as much big as you want to make a table runner. You can make with that a square one with different colors, or you can make the top of the cushions or the pillows. You can make with that. So hope you like my video on making this second pattern of square for making various beautiful square projects. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for each and every new upload I'll make on my channel, and write in the comment section for your valuable comments and suggestions. And thank you for watching my video. Thank you once again.